Hey everyone, welcome to this final and exciting part. So I think this is the part where everyone is looking for, right? Even I am exciting for this part, the real actual demo. Okay. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started then. So for this demo, so I will be using Cursor as an MCP client. So if you are using anti-gravity or Cloud Core or any MCP client, just make sure that the connection is working perfectly and your Helm MCP server is working. So let me verify my connection itself. Okay, so I will go to tools and MCP and let me refresh the connection. Yeah, so no, right, just 1 second. Yes, so right now the 22 tools are there. 7 prompts and 5 resources are part of this Helm MCP server. Okay, so if you will recall from the very first part, so I have divided the tools into 5 or 6 segments, right? So there is segment of tools specific for discovery and search, there is segment of tools specific for installation and lifecycle, validation, safety, monitoring, and multi-cluster support, right? So and to support these tools there is available resources. So agent required, if the agent requires some dynamic information, then it can connect to the available resources. Okay, so install some Helm chart via using this Helm MCP server. Okay, so I'm already at this Bitnami repository. So let's install something which is there from Bitnami repository. Okay, let me choose Jenkins because I think everyone is comfortable in Jenkins, right? Yeah, so if you go down, so it says to launch Jenkins I have to install via this repository. And what are the available options? Begin certificate, the log level should be this. Sidecar, if you want you can configure sidecar, the service port. Okay, if you want you can enable the init containers as well, and globally it is this image pool secret storage class, and if you want you can override this variables, right? Cluster domain, replica count, registry is this, pool, Jenkins user password. Okay, command service. Okay, perfect. So let me copy the URL of the chart and let's give a quick disclaimer to this agent saying from now onwards if you want to perform any operation please use Helm MCP server. Okay, so here is what you will be doing. Install the Jenkins Helm chart available at this repository, right? Second, before installing this chart, perform dry run and ask for my approval. Third, so let's override username and password. Please set Jenkins user name and password to be admin and admin 12345. Okay, so let's expose Jenkins service as cluster IP for now. Okay, so let's see. So the idea is to perform all these Helm operations via using the Helm MCP server and the tools which has been part of this whole ecosystem. Okay, so see, so it says it has list context, it has got this cluster information, it has already performed the dry run, right? And in overview it has mentioned that dry run summary is this, parameter is this one, release name Jenkins. Okay, cluster IP, admin password, this is what I am looking for, the service is this, and since 21 only limited subset of image charts are available, Jenkins will be reachable. inside the cluster via Jenkins service role. So do you want to proceed? Yeah. Yes, go ahead. So now it has triggered this install chart. It has installed the Jenkins and it has given a quick summary. So let me re-verify by using CLI, right? So it has installed Jenkins in Jenkins namespace, right? So how about the pods? So it says the pod is up and running. That means the deployment has failed. Okay, let's see why it has been failed. kubectl describe pods. Okay, so it says this image is not available on the repository. So let me give this error to the cursor as well. So the pod crashes because of this error. Let's see if it is able to debug or not. So again it is trying to get the chart information from the resource. It has initiated a web call. Now it is trying to fetch this page. So it says switching to Bitnami legacy register because the tag which it has launched, the tag is not available on the latest one. Okay, so it has again ran this Helm upgrade release. Okay, and now it is doing the monitoring. So I think now the pod is up and running. Say port forward the Jenkins service. To get service and Jenkins. And let me open the Jenkins URL. So the username which I have access, I think admin, and the password is admin12345. Let's see. Yes. So this is the Jenkins has been launched via the Helm MCP server. Okay, perfect. Let me show you how you will be doing upgrade. So for this, let me override some variable values. Okay, can you get me the readme for this Jenkins chart? So now it has so it has triggered this list available call. Okay, you already have a copy of Jenkins chart. Okay, it has created this Jenkins readme. So what are the available options? Default storage, Jenkins home. So what else we need to override? Service port. Can you override the log level? Okay. Can you upgrade this release and override the log label to debug? So it has triggered this call. The Jenkins release has been upgraded to log label set to debug. See, so this is how the installation and dry run looks like. Okay, so if you want to uninstall this service, let me uninstall this service. Okay, can you help me in uninstalling this Helm chart? So in prod or in actual environment, you don't have to run this command because it's too dangerous. So just be aware what you are running. Okay, so if you will be using Kubernetes agent, then this command, before running this command, you will be prompt with the message saying that if you really want to run this or not. Okay, so it has uninstalled this chart. The release is removed, but some resources may remain, and it has mentioned that the persistent volume claim will be there. Okay, can you list down or help releases? See if Jenkins has been removed or not. See, so only release which is there is Argo CD, and Jenkins has been successfully released removed, right? Try with another Helm chart. Okay, instead of Bitnami, let me try some other open source Helm chart. Demo Helm chart. Helm chart. Okay, so while I was writing this Kubernetes agent, so there I used to test this Helm chart. Okay, so the chart address is this. Hello world is the Helm chart. Okay, so let me install this as well. So example, and this is the repository. So all I have to do is copy this chart, go to cursor. Can you install this example chart from this URL? Let's see if it automatically adds this URL, then install this Helm chart. So it is trying to read all this tools information. Once it will finalize, then it is going to install the Helm chart. Okay, so now see, so it has added this repository by calling this tool Helm MCP repository. Then it has installed this chart. Okay, and it has given the summary, and we can validate by checking whether it has been installed or not. Okay, I think the default namespace is default one, right? See, it has installed, right? So this is how the demo looks like. So you can try at your end, and let me know on the comment or on the Discord server, which I will pin the information in this video. So yeah, that's it. So we have covered pretty much. We have started from theory, then in the configuration, and finally the demo. Okay, so see you on the next demo, and the next demo is of course this Argo CD MCP server. Okay, so see you there. Bye.